playing around with this thing here. See how, I don't know if you can see this. Let me put the thing down a little, I'll show you. It's really ugly on this side, but I put this Car Guys plastic restorer on it, and I'm gonna rub it all over it and just see how it works, how good it looks. So I'm gonna leave half of it, so you get a, it looks pretty darn cool actually. Just trying to see. So anyway, oh, yeah, I should do right down the middle. Monkey in the middle. Right down the middle here. Now, that's what I get. Holy Christ. Look at the difference. Let me try this one. I feel like I wrecked this one. Let me try the back. There. This is the before. In case you're wondering. It's this stuff right here. Let me put the little pasty thing on there. And now we're gonna put it on here. I don't have to do the inside, so the outside. Holy crud. Had I not put it on the buffing wheel, I would not have those marks in it. So yeah, there we go. Wipe it down. That's cool. I think that is actually pretty good. Look at after now. This is the, I got a little juice on here. You can see the brown spots. It does, I mean, it might dry a little cruddy, but it does look pretty good compared to before. Adds a certain sheen to it. So yeah, you can see the before and the after. It's not perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better. Look at it. Looks a lot nicer. Except for this big gouge here. This is the what do you call it? Sacrificial lamb here I have. So yeah, that's the sacrifice. But I'm gonna leave it for a couple days and see how it looks. It's not bad. You can see the original patina right here. I left it. Anyway, with that said, thanks for watching. Toodles.